All right, we're going to review sound, what we've learned in sound over this chapter. Sound. A sound is a type of energy that you can hear. Okay, so sound is a type of energy you can hear, and we can hear. Remember, what are these things called? We can't see them, but they're traveling through the air. Vibrations. Very good. So we hear sound. Sound comes from vibrations. Okay, so that's what we hear. Those vibrations travel through the air. They go into our ear so that we can hear. So in order for things to make sound, they have to vibrate. Pitch. Pitch is how high or how low a sound is. So remember, it doesn't have to do with volume. It has to do with high means it's squeaky, right? That would be a high, right? Or that whistle sound, that's a high pitch. Or a low pitch. Low is down here. So it doesn't have to do with how loud something is. Okay, pitch can be high, a squeaky sound, or a low sound, right? We talked about how things like whistling would be a high pitch, and then we have those deep sounds that make it a low pitch. Vibrations. A rapid back and forth movement. We looked at a lot of things, how they vibrate. Our vocal cords, how they move back and forth quickly, right? We put our hand on our throat to feel the vibrations. We talked about how the rubber band, when we pluck the rubber band, it moves back and forth quickly, and that's how we heard the noise. Or a guitar, we move the strings, and the strings vibrate. They move quickly back and forth, and that's how we get sound. So vibration is rapid back and forth movement to move back and forth quickly. And the vibrations are what we hear. A faster vibration makes a higher pitch. A slower vibration makes a slower pitch. No, that should say a lower pitch. So here's a low pitch, right? The vibrations move slowly, and that's where we get that low sound, that slow vibration. For a high pitch, we have a faster vibration. And when we hear that whistle, right, that which is a high pitched sound, it's that squeaky sound. The vibrations are moving faster. All right, and that's what we have. So let's think about other things that have vibrations. We talked about how animals, right? They make sound. There's the vibrations. We talked about the drums, how we hit the drums, and there we have vibrations, and how the drums are so loud that they make lots of vibrations throughout the whole room. Right? So think back through our chapter in sound.